Alright guys, so this is what's going on. We're doing the subscriber shirt contest right now. And this contest is, we try to do it about once a month, but we've just been so busy and so much stuff going on. But with Twitch Prime happening and so many new subs, I thought I would deliver and just show you guys what the experience would be like. So every month or so, mostly so, we give you guys, and by you guys I mean the subs, a week to send submissions like this one. Original art, Photoshop stuff, photos of anything, basically whatever. Not safe for work gets disqualified because, well, I don't want to get banned off of Twitch. So yes, I would like to continue streaming. So we're going to go through the submissions. I'm going to disqualify the ones that I think have no chance of winning, and the ones that do have a chance of winning, at least roughly, in my opinion, we'll do a straw poll. You guys will vote, and the ones that get the most votes get some prizes. For second and third place, we'll send you a shirt off this Kripp store. And for first place, I'm going to print a shirt with your design, wear it on stream, and then do whatever you want to the shirt, wear it, sign it, whatever, and then I'll mail it to you, and you could have that prized possession till the end of time. So, yeah, cool. So let's have a look at what you guys sent me. The first submission here is, I believe there's 25 of these. The first one is Dexter, 2 mana for a 10/10 beast, battlecry squirrel. Adjacent companions have a little extra luck sometimes. Okay, not bad. And then we have, actually I don't know if you guys can see all of that. Yeah, you guys can see all of that. So this is like an artistic impression. I actually don't look that salty there. This is more like, fuck. Like, are you kidding me? With a touch of depression. It's not really too salty. But it's good. I like it. Well done. Yeah, okay. This is borderline not safe for work, but you know, this, I'm pretty sure it's actually just reaching to like a hidden pocket. You know, you gotta be careful with your jewels. You know. Hey guys, PrisonKripp here. Oh, okay. Never lucky. That's not bad. Stash is similar, hairline is similar. Level of consciousness seems to be similar most days, not bad. All right. We have, hey guys, how's it going? Kripp here. And how it would look on different shirts. It's not bad. It does seem like it would look pretty good on some of these. I also like how it has my websites. Get that marketing value. Not bad. Dex versus evil painting. Okay. Yes. He took care of that for us. He's a good guard. Oh, I see. So this is just the transparent version or the black version. I see. Well, okay. I mean, we have to just get rid of one of these. Just get rid of the black one for now. All right. Well, just for the record, you guys just got to send a design. You don't have to put it on a shirt like that. Like, I actually can't put that on a shirt unless I put the guy with it. So I put the stock shirt guy wearing a shirt design on my shirt. I could do that. Yeah. That would add to it, I guess. But it's a good design. It's just, you know, I thought it wouldn't include the guy. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for your submissions, guys. Can you hear its call? Listen close. Okay. Not bad. Dr. Kripp. Dude, the guy even has his his phone stats at the top. Okay. Interesting. Original indeed. I think the signature really does the trick. I mean, without the signature, it could have fooled me for a Picasso. So, all right, that's pretty good actually. All right. This is Kripp the Mage. Got my 12 win belt and some sweet arena keys. Got a few different versions of it. Pretty good. Very good actually. You know what, dude? I love space. I think with the space background, you really nailed it. All right. Damn, dude. I look pretty majestic here. I don't know about you guys, but I'm looking like a king here. What do you guys think? Welcome to the $5 Club, Brofist. This is taken from one of the photos I did at TwitchCon. It's not a good Photoshop job, I don't think, but you know, it's a well-selected photo. All right, sure. Vegan math boys. I'm guessing this is a recent submission. Yep. One night with Kripp in a fisting adventure. Holy shit, dude. I don't really understand what this cave thing is. Does have a rainbow though. And it's obviously someone who's done a few of these before. Well, I don't think it's somebody's wrecked him, which is what some of you guys might be suggesting, because I don't believe it can. I mean, that's a pretty big stretch. Okay, like I don't think so, guys. Top deck, I guess, sure. I have no idea what this is. All right. All right, guys, we're going to have to disqualify some because this is too many to vote on. I'm going to rip Dexter here. Very fluffy submission, but I don't think it can win. That might win. That cannot win. Yeah. It's good.